Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is going to be about how to handle difficult teammates in workplace. Before we get into the video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Now let's get right into the video. How to handle difficult teammates in workplace. Know-it-alls are people who seem to have an opinion about anything and everything in this whole wide world. A know-it-all proudly claims to have knowledge about every damn thing. A know-it-all has a hard time listening to others, because they can't resist, but put their point forward, before people even finish what they are saying. Managing a know-it-all co-working can be tough, but it's not impossible. It's true they are annoying, but they too are struggling with the internal pressure of making a mark in society. They want to be heard and known, and perhaps that's why they have adapted this way of being. Here's how you can deal with a know-it-all coworker. 1. Acknowledge them. All a know-it-all needs is some acknowledgement for the knowledge they possess. If you provide a piece of information in the middle of what you were saying, acknowledge what they just said, and continue with what you were saying. Once they start feeling acknowledged, heard, and safe around you, they will stop their know-it-all behavior, at least with you. 2. Get to know them. You should never judge a book by its cover. Even though it makes you cringe to spend time with a know-it-all, but make some efforts in getting to know them better. Their know-it-all behavior might have stemmed from some insecurities or painful past experiences. You can help them process these feelings and move past them. 3. Focus on probing questions. When a know-it-all begins to shove information into your face, ask them detailed questions. Ask them about facts related to their information, how credible their information is, etc. This will immediately shut an egoistic know-it-all down. 4. Don't take them to your heart. Once you identify someone as a know-it-all and their behavior has started to irritate you, just try to not take them seriously. Just listen and let go of whatever they say. Your sanity is in your hands. 5. Be honest with a know-it-all. It's important to honestly tell someone how you feel about them. Now, while you do that, make sure you do it in the form of constructive feedback. Know-it-alls are very fragile people, and you will have to handle them with care. 6. Be patient. When around a know-it-all, try to be as patient as you can. Once they have boosted their informed piece of brain, they'll stop talking. Be patient for your own sake. Don't withhold your opinions, but don't take their comments personally. 7. Choose your battles. A know-it-all will give you a million opportunities to get into a fight with them. It's you who has to decide whether it's worth it or not. That's all about know-it-alls and how you can deal with a know-it-all coworker. Managing a know-it-all coworker is very important in order to have mental peace at your workplace. A know-it-all can only add to your workplace stress, so it's better to learn how. Thanks for watching.